Hey, what's up, guys? Dougie here, aka Tony, and we are back with another review from a product company that has sent us a rechargeable battery a while ago. And they got in contact with us to send us some more goodies, and this is what we got today. We got two of the Zilu phone adapters for your cars. We got a normal, conventional, universal car mount with the sucker, and then I believe it just slides open right here. And then the other one is a universal magnetic car mount, which I believe, I have never seen one before, but I think it has a little disc that's magnetized and sticks to your phone. So it'll be stuck to your phone, and whenever you get to your car, you just put it close up to the car mount and it should work perfectly. This is basically the dimensions of each car mount. Let me make sure we got the right side. This one doesn't have it, I believe. Nope. But this is the mounts, the actual size. Try your handheld, and this is the max that it goes to, 3.5 inches, and the minimum is a 2.5 inch. And over here, I just showed you some of the things about it, the features. Sturdy, screwless design, and has a sucker and stuff like that. They both have the same thing. Once again, there's the front. This is what it would look like in a car. I don't know if this one has a picture. This is what it would look like in a car also. Almost identical. One is magnetized and one is just crunched in. So let's go ahead and open the one that is you slide in. If we could get the box open. What do you get in the box? You get a little piece of paper. It says happy with a question mark. Not happy. I believe this is probably for ratings and stuff. And it says, you're welcome to post a review. We will truly thank you for your help. And it shows you some emails in case you need services and stuff. So make sure to rate them. They're a very good company. They'll take care of you. Basically, that's all that goes inside the box, and it comes wrapped in, this plastic bag. On the bottom, it has the tape that you're gonna be sticking this to. So whenever you unstick it, I believe that's it. I don't know if you replaced the stickiness or whatever, but basically, it has rubber padding on the side. Good plastic, probably polycarbonate. Adjustable wheel, so that way you can move wherever you want. And there it is, Zilu. And then you just open it. Oh man, this is really strong. It's really strong. It's gonna hold your phone perfectly. And just push here for something. I guess that's just for when you want to remove it or unclip it, take it apart, push it back in. Oh well, I gotta figure that one out. But basically, this is the car mount with the spring attachment. So if you want to use that one, that's one good way to go. And the other one is the magnetic car mount. So we'll see what this one comes with. What's inside the box? This one comes with extra stuff. Comes with a piece of metal, and I guess it depends. I don't know. But basically, this is the circle that you'll be sticking to the back of your phone. It got some 3M tape. You can barely see the 3M. There we go. 3M. You get two of those. 3M. Review paper. Happy, not happy. And then same packaging. Same adhesive tape. Same buttons. Just push. The only difference on this is that it has this magnetic big old thing. I believe it's one piece right here, and all you gotta do is just attach your phone, and it'll attach to it. You can find these products on Amazon.com just by searching Zilu, and I'm pretty 100% sure you'll get good prices on this. So make sure you check them out, and later on, maybe down this week, I'll install one of these and I'll do a product full review, so that way you guys can get a glimpse of how it looks once you have your phone wherever it is that you want to install it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, because more videos are coming. Make sure you go ahead and follow them on Facebook and Twitter. I'm pretty sure they got an Instagram, Zilu. And check out the products. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys.